Hello everyone, welcome to Love and Lux. In today's video we have a new Cartier unboxing. This one I went into the store to get because the last one was a gift from my husband and he had it shipped to us. So here I'm just showing the stuff they have inside. And yeah, let me go inside and show you guys what I have. So the Cartier chocolates, you get 3 milk chocolates and 3 dark chocolates. They said this is the second most, I don't know, nicest chocolate or something like that in the world. I don't know if that's true, but that's what the sales associate told me. Then we have the samples. If you guys watch my video, you guys know that I have a lot of samples, but I still like to receive them anyways. And sometimes they give you different ones. So I believe in this one, I'm trying to, hopefully I try to get close up in this shot here, but anyways, I'm trying to show what they gave. You guys know they always give out declaration, which I believe is the one in the middle, and then the first one and the one at the end are ones that I don't think I have or ever tried before. There is a new perfume that I tried when I was in the Cartier store picking up this piece, so I'll probably get it eventually anyways. There's a cleaning kit. You guys saw in the last unboxing, I didn't get that. I didn't get the cleaning kit. I didn't get the chocolates. I didn't get the perfume samples. And I don't think you really get that kind of stuff when you place your order online. Here is the authenticity card for the item. You guys know I said I was busy, so this is showing the day, the date, the year. This was last month. Sorry guys, I know I keep saying it. I've just been super busy. So I told you guys from the last video that I was behind on my videos. I said I have videos that I've recorded, but I just haven't had time to edit and get them uploaded. So anyways, while I was in the store, I got my cord changed out on my Trinity bracelet and they gave me extra cord. I asked for black and they changed it out to black, but then they were supposed to give me more black to bring home. But when I looked at it, it was actually blue, but that's okay. It's dark enough. It'll pass for black. That doesn't really bother me. And then here they gave me a travel pouch and a pillow. So maybe that'll show, be a hint to what I have. You got the 2 little slip pockets there. A lot of people use those when they travel. It's good to store your jewelry in these pouches. I don't know if I really use mine for travel, actually. I can't remember if I actually use these or not. So yeah, probably not. Anyways, there is the receipt. No, is that the receipt? Yeah. So here's the receipt, and I'm just showing you guys. You guys know if I have receipts, I'll show you. So I'm just showing how much the item costs. So it's not too bad. Not too bad. Especially for Cartier. So here we are with the item. Any guesses? Yeah, so pause the video and put in the comment section what you think it is. But here we go. So what did I get? What did I get? We know it's a bracelet, but what kind of bracelet did I get? Ta-da! This is the 2 Diamond Love bracelet. My last video, I unboxed the 2 Diamond Love necklace my husband bought for me. I told you guys that this piece, the necklace, was not on my radar at all. I was not thinking about this necklace. I saw other people wearing it. I admired it on them, watched the YouTube videos on them, but never thought to add that to my collection. I don't know why. I just wasn't thinking about it. And like I said in the last video, my husband called the sales associate, wanted to make sure I didn't have the necklace. I didn't have it, so he had it shipped to me, and that was what I unboxed in the last video. This time, this is the bracelet. So I like the necklace so much, I wanted to get the bracelet. I did that last time. He got me the love ring. I liked it so much, I bought another one. This is basically no different. I like the love necklace, so I got the love bracelet. And before I got the bracelet, I took the necklace off and I put it on my wrist to see what it was going to look like with my other bracelets. And I liked the way it looked. And I said, well, if the bracelet is very similar and the same kind of size, I know the chain's going to be longer, but if it's the same, then I'll buy the bracelet. And here is what it's going to look like. I don't think I'm going to do it up in this little shot that I'm showing you, like close it up or anything. But I have the D'Amour, the Juste Include, the Love, the Tiffany Rolo Link, Return to Tiffany's, and now the two diamond love bracelet from Cartier. All of it's in yellow gold. The D'Amour is in the small size. The Love is in the 15. No, it was in the 16, and then the Juste Include is in the 15. And yeah, I really like it a lot. It's just a really quick unboxing, and that's it. I hope you guys liked the video. That's it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.